In today's video, I will guide you through the safe and correct way to give a gluteal injection step by step. This is commonly used for medication like antibiotic, vitamin B12 and some vaccine. So let's begin. What is a gluteal injection? A gluteal injection is an intramuscular injection given into the gluteus medius muscles of the buttock. It ensures that the medicine is absorbed quickly into the bloodstream. This method is often used for thick or oily medication that need to be absorbed over time. So, you need to prepare the following equipments before giving a gluteal muscle injection. First, you need to prepare a sterile syringe and appropriate needle, and it's usually 21 to 23 gauge, 1.5 inches, and you need to prepare a prescribed medication, alcohol swab, gloves, and cotton or gauze. After that, you need to check out your safety and preparation. When it comes for your safety, you need to wash your hands thoroughly, wear gloves, check the medication name, dose, expiry. Then you need to draw up the medication aseptically. Then you need to remove air bubbles from the syringe. So we need to snap the neck away from hands. So this is how I'm going to break it. Make sure that your hands, your fingers, they are looking like this. Like this. Have you seen it? Like this. But make sure at least your arm is upright. Then here we go. Here we go. Wow, we have broken the ampule, we have snapped away the ampule here. It goes. Then you need to make sure that the fragment, when you have opened the ampule for any particular stage, make sure that the fragments, glass fragments, have not entered into the medication. So, first of all, you need to inspect. You just inspect like this. Inspect that the glass particles have not entered the ampule. After inspecting, remember that do not touch the top of the ampule after opening. When it comes to site identification, intramuscular injection into the gluteal region, the safest site is generally the ventrogluteal site because it avoids the major nerves and blood vessels. When you try to use dorsogluteal site, is less preferred due to the risk of injury to the sciatic nerve. When identifying, you need to position the patient supine, lateral or prone with the hip slightly flexed. Then you place the heel of your hand over the patient's greater trochanter. Then you point your thumb toward the groin. After that, you place your index finger on the anterior superior iliac spine. Then you extend your middle finger forming a V into the center of V formed. You inject, or you can divide the buttock into 4 equal quadrants. Then select the upper outer quadrant, inject well away from the midline and below the iliac crest. But remember, even with the correct landmarking, this site carries a higher risk of injury to the sciatic nerve. Before giving the injection, you need to clean the injection site in a circular motion with alcohol swab. Then let the area dry. Hold the skin taut. Then you insert the needle at 90-degree angle in one smooth motion. Then you inject the medication slowly. Withdraw the needle and apply a gentle pressure with a gauze. Then you dispose the needle safely into sharp bends.